Okay, so I don't know from where to start, and if you guys are following me on Instagram, you must be knowing that few days back I went on a trip to Mandarmani with my friends. So I was very excited, very enthusiastic, very happy, and we were really enjoying the entire road trip to Mandarmani and everything. But it ended up really bad, and in this video I will be reviewing the entire Mandarmani trip, the hotel, the food, the experience, the vibe and everything about it. So if you are planning to go to Mandarmani, and if you have already planned or whatever it is, please do watch this video before taking your decision and moving ahead, because you don't know how much this video is going to help you until you watch this video till the end. So please stay tuned with the video till the end, because at the end I'll be sharing one good experience as well apart from all the bad experiences. So stay tuned with the video, and I really hope that this video contributes to your life and saves you and your money as well. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanya. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a fashion, lifestyle and beauty influencer, a makeover, bridal and skin consultant as well. In this video, I will be talking about something which I not generally, like I have never talked on YouTube. Like in my personal life, I do recommend people about places to visit and to go for vacations, but I never thought that I'll be making video on YouTube about this topic, about like vacation and all stuff. But you know what, after this experience I'm really thinking of making such videos, because a good video and a good informative video about a place really saves you from lot of unwanted experiences which you might experience if you are not aware of. So in this video I will be reviewing my current Mandarmani trip which I went with my friends. So we started around 7:30 in the morning and we went there in our car. So it was a self-drive trip and we really wanted to have that road trip experience, and of course reaching to Mandarmani is only possible through road, and yes, it is from, I guess, train as well, I'm not sure, but of course we wanted to go for a road trip experience. So yes, we started with our road trip. So on the way we stopped for our breakfast in Sher-e Punjab, which is like a very famous spot for I guess all the travelers who are traveling and crossing that area, which is in Kolaghat. So we had amazing breakfast over there, and from there we headed towards Mandarmani, and we didn't take any kind of halt in between. So we booked the resort, Sun City Resort, which is considered one of the most, not one of the most, it's like the best resort there according to people and everything. And when the Mandarmani was not a very famous place, and it came into limelight because of that resort, which was previously known as Rose Valley Resort. So yes, we booked rooms there in advance with 50% advance payment. And while booking, because one of my friend booked the room and she was taking care of the entire bookings and all, so the person who was actually over the call with my friend, and the lady literally told so many good things about the room, and we are giving you the elite class room and this and that and all of that. So because I was also not like other friends were not into, like, we didn't checked out how the rooms are and all, because we also heard a lot about this Sun City Resort and we knew that this is one of the best properties out there. And so yes, we booked there and we went. So on the way we were having some kind of negative vibe altogether, which is not which is a little difficult to explain over the video, but if you have been there in recent times you must be knowing what I'm talking about. And if you haven't, you know what, this video is a savior for you if you choose to actually follow whatever I'm saying in this video. See, it's a choice, definitely it's your choice, but trust me, do watch the video till the end and you will be exactly getting what I'm talking about. So we went into the resort, and the moment we entered into the resort, the feeling was very what I'll say, it was not something which it was a feeling which you will not expect to feel, or which you would desire to feel, especially when you're going on a vacation, that you will not not each one of us felt that something is fishy, something is not cool, and there was a very different kind of negative vibe altogether, which was not possible to define earlier when we just entered the resort. So then we, of course, it was 2:45 when we entered the resort, and their lunch was about to get over by 3:30. So we just requested them that please give us the keys, and so that we can check into the room. And then we planned that we will, have the lunch first, and then we'll plan the entire trip, how, we want to spend the entire 1 day or 1.5 day, whatever we were having in our hands. So we went into the room, and the moment we entered, my goodness, like, that is not a resort, that is not a hotel. Come on, I can't call it a hotel or a resort. It was, the quality of the room was pathetic, and it was not even a lodge. Even a lodge is something which will be better than that room. The entire facility was very bad. The pillow covers, the bed covers, the blanket, the bathroom, oh my god, for me, and I guess for sure for a lot of you, bathroom is a must place which I personally check out first whenever I am checking into a hotel. And the bathroom was so pathetic that I was not even feeling like washing my hands in that bathroom. Okay, the view was of course sea view. So you know what, trust me guys, a lot of times when we talk over the phone to whatever the marketing manager or whoever deals, regarding the rooms and all that, they will always say you that, it's a sea view room. This is the only room we have which faces the sea, and it's just in front of the sea and all of that. Please don't go into all those show off, things and marketing gimmicks. Yes, it was sea view room, but what will you do of a room which is not, where you can't think of breathing also for a minute as well. I'm not exaggerating guys. If you see the reviews, and if you see that Sun City, the best resort in Mandarmani and all that, and then when you go there, oh my god, it's not, the difference is not just hell and heaven, it's something else altogether. Okay, the room was pathetic. There was a different kind of smell altogether. It was not clean. The rug over there was literally bad. I'll not say it a rug, it was a foot mat which we use in front of the bathroom and all that. It was pathetic. Everything was dirty. There was a very bad smell, and the vibe, it was like there was so much of negativity. And we know what, we all are psychic in some or the other levels, whether we acknowledge it or not. And if you guys know me, you know that I am little sensitive to all these things, and I really sensed some really bad energies over there. So then what we were like, we came out of our room, so we booked 3 rooms there. So we all came out, and we were just looking to each other's face, and we were like, who will say first? We were just waiting, because everybody was like, what if I say and other person is fine with it? But because we all were close friends, we all have a similar taste and a similar kind of preference in terms of quality and standards. So we were sure, inside, that nobody is liking the room and the vibe of this place. But still we went, because we were so hungry. So we went down for the lunch. Now, lunch. So there was a specific kind of smell in all the food, which was very prominent. And we all are vegetarians. So if you are also a vegetarian, see, that is quite obvious that if you are going to a seaside vacation, so of course seafood and the water there has a specific smell in most of the places, but this was not avoidable. Okay, and the food was like, we just filled our stomach. I even did that as well, but few of us, we just filled our stomach because we were really hungry, and we were like on the table, we were like we saw a few very strange things. First of all, so when we were sitting there, we were kind of noticing, around, and we were seeing that on every table, people were fighting. Okay, and you know what, when there is a very negative energy around you, you feel very angry, you feel very negative, and even a small conversation or a small topic and situation can really make you burst into anger and all of that. And we were literally seeing that everywhere in the entire restaurant of the place. And at the same time, like, we among us, we decided that no matter what, we are not staying here, and we will not fight even if we feel like fighting, because we were actually aware that okay, this place has that vibe which can make us fight with each other. So we were like quite aware about it. So in short, we didn't like the place. Then we thought of, now what, we asked them for a refund because it was just half an hour. We checked into the room and we said that, whatever room you have promised and whatever elite class room you promised, it's, forget about elite class, this is a room where even our driver will not love to stay. And if you want, you can take it as like whatever you want to take it, but trust me, the room was pathetic. Okay, now, so we asked them for a refund. So of course, that when it comes about refund, they did a lot of drama and they did like, we will give you another room, which they told that they don't have. When we were trying to book the best room earlier, because we went there and we pre-booked the room, that time they told that they don't have that shell rooms and the cottage stuff, and they have only this room and this is the best one. This was told by the manager, whoever dealt with the entire deal. But when we said that, we are not liking the room and whatever you have promised, nothing is there on point, then they were like, we have other rooms, we can offer you that as well. Then we were like, what? You were saying that you don't have any rooms free and now you're saying that you can upgrade us. So that was again something which is not considered as a good hospitality when it comes to, serving your clients. That's, because of the clients, you are actually having the place running, and how can you change your words like this, like all of a sudden? So fine, so we were like, no, we don't want to stay because the vibe was not good. Forget about the room and the looks. You know what, guys, mostly we see the outer look of a place, that the bed is good, the bathroom is good, and the restaurant is good and all that. But you know what, there is a vibe thing also, which actually, if you are going to a place which is affecting your frequency and your vibe, trust me, after coming back from that place, you will not feel like you had a vacation. You will just feel very strange, but you cannot define it. And I know that if you have experienced such thing after coming from any of such kind of vacation, you can relate what I'm trying to say. So we decided that we will be like checking into another hotel, okay, or a resort. So we searched 3-4 hotels. One of them was Aqua Drive Marine, something like that. I don't remember the exact name. The second was Viceroy, okay. This third one was Sana Beach Resort. So you know what, every place was having this very, very negative and what I'll say, a very down kind of vibe, which was very strange. And then we got finally that, okay, the entire Mandarmani has that energy, okay, it's not about just a resort. Now we thought of checking into another hotel, but again we went to see the rooms and all. Nothing was on point. Yes, physically things were looking fine, but I hope you can understand what I'm trying to highlight over here. Things were not cool. So then what we thought that, okay, we are returning back. So by the time we were seeing and checking out all the hotels and resorts, it was already evening. And now we were like, what to do? Because we wanted to avoid the night drive because it was a self drive for us. And but it was again, we thought of, adjusting and compromising and staying there for a night so that we can leave early in the morning. But trust me, it was not possible staying there. It was really pathetic. Even we tried food of 2 other places as well, but that was also not like, it was, I don't know, it was really bad. Okay, like I know there is a term called adjustment, but that was also difficult there. And we are vegetarians, so again, we really struggled with the vegetarian food. Now, what we did, we thought of, okay, fine, we are going, finally decided. Then we thought of, okay, let's go to the beach, just see the beach and spend some time and then we'll return. Because we really, it was a vacation for us and we were having a very good mood and vibe. So we thought that, just chill onto the beach for some time, like for half an hour max, and then we'll return. So we went to the beach. So this was the only good experience there. So we took a boat ride and that was amazing. The person who had us the boat ride and everything, the speedboat one, it was really good. That was the only moment when we all laughed and we were like, okay, we will take it as a good memory with us. And we collected seashells. That is like one of my favorite things when I go on any kind of beach vacation. So we collected a lot of seashells and we were kind of, kind of convincing ourselves that, okay, fine, no matter what, but this is the moment, at least we can take this as a good memory and we can enjoy this time at least. So we did that. Now, while returning, first of all, Night drive, please guys, don't do it. If you are doing it, if you have a very experienced driver, that's still fine, but night drive from these kind of places, because it's so dark, so dark. If you are not switching on the dipper, forget about driving. It's complete charcoal black dark. Okay, nothing, there is no lamp post, there is nothing. Like, I really wonder, people think Mandarmani is consider it as a very like close by one of Kolkata does not have too much of vacation spots nearby. Mandarmani is something which people consider if they really want to go somewhere very nearby. But you know, the road conditions, road was fine, but there was no light, there was no that radium thing also you know, on these edges and the sides of the roads. It was really bad, and it was so risky because the road was so thin, and our car was MG Hector, so it's in itself, it's a huge car, it's not a small car, and the buses were coming and our car, it was risky, it was quite risky. And the person who was driving the car, who was one of my friends, he was like, he has never, you know, done such kind of driving and night driving in such kind of places, so it was really risky. So we were so much aware that okay, fine, we were just praying that no matter what, universe, please help us and make us reach our homes safely, so that we don't you know, everything stays fine. Now on the road we were feeling of, you know, having some soft drinks, so we bought one, and you know what, that was expired. So that is one of the tips. If you are going on a vacation on such places where there is a you know, village kind of situation, so don't buy anything and don't eat anything without seeing the expiry date. So we took a Pepsi cans. So the first one which we opened, like, we normally see, normally people don't see all these things, you know, on the go. They are like, they'll just open, just have it. But one of our friends checked, and it was like, it has already expired 3 months back. Okay, so we just threw it, and we were like, oh god, like, how? It was a real bad experience. And I was like, okay, this cold drink also was expired, and I was like, we were like, okay, fine, this trip really sucks. Okay, but because we all were together, and the entire car trip and whatever we did while going and while returning back, that was really fun. We enjoyed with each other, but that enjoyment does not have like any kind of contribution from the, especially from the Mandarmani part, because there we had a very bad experience. So just to sum it up, I will tell you 2-3 things which you should definitely consider. First of all, if you are a vegetarian, I don't think so you will like the place. Let me put it very straight. Okay, the second thing is, if you are a person who likes good environment, good vibe, good room and bathroom, forget it, because we booked our rooms in the best resort there, but the situation was this. Okay, so forget about the other resorts which falls into the below categories. The third thing is, night driving is a strict no-no from my side, because I know how risky it was. And suddenly, you know, it was so dark that the car is moving, we are seeing that nobody is in front, and suddenly we see that somebody is coming you know, forward in a bicycle or a tempo or a bus. Like, it was so difficult to understand, like, it really. And because we went in the morning only, the same day, the full driving thing, and returning back, even like those who were driving the car, they were also very exhausted. So we won't recommend. Like, it's like, fingers crossed we all reached safely, that's fine, but I won't recommend that. And to be very honest, after this trip there were a few lessons I learned. First of all, if I will ever desire to go on a trip, I'll go on a trip which is really good. I'll search for the place, I'll be really checking out the hotel and stuff, the food, which I normally do. This was like, we thought, okay, it's nearby, let's go. Like, none of us, you know, was into like, you know, like let's put too much of head and planning and all that stuff, because we thought, okay, it's nearby, we can go. But you know what, don't take things lightly, no matter what kind of vacation you're going, whether it is nearby or it is far away. Place matters. If you go on a vacation which has a very negative vibrations in that place, or very low in frequency, when you come back you will feel like you have gone 2 years back in your life. And this is, I'm not saying just for saying, I know this. And if you are into energetical practices and all of that, you will understand what exactly I'm trying to say over here. So if you don't want to understand all these things, if you just wanna take a straight verdict kind of thing, not verdict, I'll say, like my review, it's a big no. Like I'm not going to Mandarmani any day, even if I'll feel like having me time and going on a vacation, I'll go for a staycation option. I'll book a room in a good hotel in Kolkata. I'll stay for a day or two and I'll come back. That I guess will work wonderful for me, rather than going somewhere where the situations are so negative. You are not getting good food, good room, good bathroom, good vibe, nothing. Okay, so again, this is not something which I'll prefer, and I hope that you got the clarity which you are looking for in this video. So it's a no trip from my side, and rest, see, I know different people have different preferences, different taste, different priorities when going to vacations. So if you want, you can still go. Of course, it's your choice, but if you have listened to me properly, you can understand that if these are your priorities, I'm really sorry, you won't find it, and that's for sure. I can guarantee you that. Okay, so yeah, this was all about my review. I was really happy going there. Yes, our trip was really memorable because we all enjoyed with each other. Good company really matters. So yes, we were having good company and we really enjoyed. We played Antakshari, we played games, we had a lot of snacks and did a lot of snacking in the while we were on the roads and all. While returning, we again stopped at Sher-e Punjab and had our dinner. The dinner was awesome and it was really great, and that again like quite lifted our moods, and then we went ahead and we returned around 2 o'clock at night, not 2 or 1 o'clock at night. So it was a very hectic trip, but it was enjoyable apart from Mandarmani. Like we enjoyed in ourselves, but no, there was no contribution from Mandarmani side in terms of anything. So after coming from Mandarmani, the next day one of my students called me and she was asking me my experience about the trip, and you know what, she shared her experience of Mandarmani with me, and I was shocked. And all the kind of things I was feeling there, she just validated with her example. Now what she said, she shared that she went there on her birthday with her husband and for 2 days, and both the days she said that both were fighting like hell. And I personally know her and her husband, they really share a good equation and they have lovely chemistry together. But she was like, we were fighting for 2 days, and she was like, I slept on my birthday like with tears in my eyes, and my husband was not like not consoling me at all. And this was her 2 days experience. And you know what was the amazing part which she shared about this 2 days, that when she returned and when she entered the home, she was like, what, according to the situation which I had for 2 days, it was quite possible that I will not talk to my husband for 2-3 days because he hurted me and he fought with me. But you know what, she said that the moment they entered into the home, they were like, they forgot why did they even fought together for 2 days. Now what we'll call that, when a vibration and energy of a place is very down and very negative, these things show up. So please be aware before choosing any place for yourself, whether a home, whether a place or a vacation or whatever it is. So this was my students' experience as well, and that validated my experience over there. And I was like, oh my god, now it's for sure I'm not going. I was already sure, and after listening to her, I was like, okay, I'm not going. And if somebody asks me, I'll definitely try to convince that person that please don't go. And yes, you can still go, and if you really want to check that whether what I'm saying is true or not, yes, you can go and have your own experience. That's completely fine. But I thought of doing this video just to save your time, money, and your experience and your positive vibes. So this was all about my review. And you know what, after this experience, I'm planning to review a lot of hotels and vacations wherever I'll be going, because you know what, a good review can save you, your life, your good vibrations, your frequencies. I can't tell you exactly how and in what ways it can save you. And this was my experience. I really got inspired that okay, apart from fashion, beauty, makeup and stuff, I'll be also making such videos and I'll be sharing my reviews, because a good review and a true review really counts, and it really makes a difference in the, taking your decisions as well. So yes, if you really want to see such kind of videos more in the future, or if you want to review me certain hotel or place or restaurant, anything like that, yes, you can now request for those things as well, because yes, I'll be including that in my content as well. So yes, this was all about this video. Please be safe and be conscious and be aware of the places you choose while traveling, because traveling is not just about spending money and spending night in some other places. It's about a wholesome experience, and it really matters. Either it can expand your life, either it can contribute in destroying your life, which you might not know immediately, but it does. Trust me, I have been there, I have experienced that, and I know that.